Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be telling you about the SQL function those starts with L. And I have few examples on the screen and I will be explaining you and telling you what is the use. The first one is the list. So this list function is used to identify or will show the result what is the lowest value of your inputs. Like here I have example like 20, 10, 25 and 50. So if I execute this, it is going to show the lowest value out of it. So it is 10. Now coming to the next function is the left. Left using to show the values from the left side, whatever the values you put here. Like here I have given the input as 3, meaning that it will show the first 3 values of my string value. Just let me execute this. So it will show the first 3 letter, that is SAP, from the string. So that's the use of left. Now the length is very simple. It will show the number of digits, or it will just count the length of this string. If I execute this, it will show the values. Length is 11 of this string. Now coming to the next function is the local to UTC. So as the function suggests, it makes a convert from your local time into the UTC time. So here for an example, I have taken one example, like this is the date and time, and with this your Central European time CET. So this time, this is the CET time, and it will be converted into the UTC. So let me just execute this. So here you can see that uh, the date is same, but the time has changed 2 hours previous. So that is the difference between the UTC and CET. Now coming to the next function is the locate. Locate is very useful function in order to find the values of a large string. Suppose you want to find some, like you have a, I have given a small example, but you can use for a long one, like SAP Learning Academy. And here I want to find SAP. So it will locate, it means that it will locate the position from that string. Let me just quickly identify this. So now if I execute this, you can see that yes. So SAP is at the first string, that's why it is showing 1. Now coming to the next one, the lower. Lower is just opposite to upper, so it will make the what of the string you put, it will make the lowercase. So here it is SAP, so SA was capital, now all are in lowercase. Now coming to the next function is the LPad. So for this left padding, so I have 2 examples. So the first example, so it is used to add the values in the left side. So here suppose you have a string value SAP, and you need the total length of that character, or the length of the value you need 10. And what are the values you want to put in the left side? So 1 2 3 4. So let me just execute this. So here you can see that this 1 2 3 4 has been added in the left side, and SAP is the value that is still there. So the total length should be 10. Now coming to the next example of this LPad. So here I need only 2 values. So let me just execute this. So here in this case, it is showing result only as A, because I need only length as 2. Now coming to the next example, and this is the last example of this tutorial, that is the LTrim, LTrim makes a trimming from the left side. So what you want to trim? You want to trim the value S. Let me just execute this. And here you can see that S has been removed from this string value. Similar to that, you can generally we know that this trimming is used to remove the spaces, not like that. So it is also used to remove the letters what you want to remove from here. So in this case, I just used to replace the space. You can see that there was a space in this character. So if I see that there's no space at the moment. That is all about this tutorial, and please look into the other series of this SQL function, and also look into the other tutorials and on different topics. I have given the links in the below description. Thank you for watching.